Hey friends, glad to be here on YouTube one more time. Another episode of Office Camper. I have been very busy with my work, with my online business. As many of you know, to make a living in my van, I work as an internet marketing advisor, and also I like a web designer, and I do all of kind of freelance jobs. So it has been great to be back in my van. On this video I'm going to show you all of the things that some of the things that I'm going through repairing this engine. And as you can see, this is the sound of my engine running, the diesel one. It is a Kia 3.0, 2.7. We discovered that when we start to rebuild the engine. I thought that it was a 3.0, but finally it was a 2.7 engine. So great to know more things about my van. I was living on the mechanic for more than 2 weeks there, so it was awesome to learn more about mechanics. Claudio and his team of Claudio the mechanic and his team really have been great with my project, with my van. They take care of a lot of things and they do a really good job. So far I have been traveling in my van for more than 2,000 kilometers since I start my new engine for the first time. So I have more than 2,000 kilometers in different parts of the country, and I'm now back in the south, in the city of Temuco, and I have been in a few places here, very nice lakes, and I'm gonna show you all of that footage and the footage of my engine rebuild, install, and the first start, and all that kind of stuff on this video. So let's see all of this adventure on this video. have been living in the mechanic for more than since Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, more than 4, maybe 4-5 days. From now, I'm sleeping inside of mechanic. Claudio has been great, and the mechanic is named Claudio, you know, and we are going to see if he is great on the bill also, because I'm doing a lot of things in my van. And I want to show you where I'm living now. I'm gonna show you in which kind of terrain I am now, and I am about to continue my journey living in my van, and I'm gonna show you that. It is very, very cold here. Winter time has started, and but I'm plugged to shore power. I have my heater inside my van. I can't complain about nothing. My body is accustomed to that kind of cold shower, so everything is going great here. And I'm gonna show you where I'm living now in my van. I have to tell you that Claudio, my mechanic, has been great, because who gives you the keys of their own shop, you know? He gave me the keys of his own shop, and this is Claudio's shop. Home sweet home, maybe. My van is right here, and I'm plugged to shore power. One of the great things, I have Wi-Fi, internet, auxiliary internet by my phone, and I have Wi-Fi here. So that's awesome, completely awesome, because I'm working very, very strong in my business, and it is awesome to have that kind of Wi-Fi to work until my van is ready to go back to the road. So that's one of the great things. I'm going to open my baby here. And home sweet home. I'm very, very, very satisfied, very happy, because this week, finally, this week, I'm going to take my van back to the road. So it's awesome, awesome, awesome.
Hey friends, very happy to be here back on my van. My van is running. I'm starting my trip to Santiago to make some business there and to test this thing on the road. So I'm very nervous, and we're going to see what happened with this van, with the new engine and all that kind of stuff. So let's see.
Well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm very happy to be back here and show you guys all of this. It has been an adventure to repair this engine. So hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you like it, hit the thumbs up over there. Thanks for watching.